Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting session of Tie and Dye with a Twist. Sari is one of the traditional wear which I'm sure everyone loves to wear irrespective of the age. And there are millions of styles to drape a sari to make it look beautiful. Sari is also worn on a daily basis by many Indian women, which makes it one of the most commonly used garment. In today's session, let's learn how to dye a beautiful double color sari by adding a unique and smart touch of block print to it. All you require: thread, scissors, leaflet, turmeric, rock salt, beetroot juice, vinegar, block, fabric paint, brush, gloves, sponge, fabric. Before you start, make sure you measure the size of the pallu according to your height and mark the point with the help of marking chalk. Let's start. Start by fan folding the fabric till the point you have marked for your pallu. This means the entire pallu should be fan folded neatly with equal gap. Once you're done, take the thread and start tying the fabric as you can see here. Follow the same procedure but with equal intervals for the entire pallu. Make sure you tie the thread very tightly so that the color can't pass through it. If you want to give a thicker look, you can use a cord instead of a thread. Make sure you give an equal number of rounds for all of them. This will give a similar effect and give a balanced look. Now take a bowl half filled with water and dip the fabric into it and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Instead of removing the fabric from the water, add vinegar to the water and leave it for 20 minutes. Mix the fabric well in the solution so that the entire fabric is dipped in the vinegar. Once you're done, take the fabric and squeeze out excess water and place it aside. Then, take a portion where you have tied the fabric, that is your pallu. Now, take that in a leaflet and secure the end with a thread. This is because we will dye the plain portion first in yellow and then dye the tied fabric in beetroot. So, let's dye the fabric for that. Take a bowl filled with hot water in it. Add rock salt to it and mix it for a few seconds. Then add turmeric, haldi to it. The quantity of turmeric depends on how dark you want the color to be. Once you have added enough amount of it, mix it well with a spoon until there are no lumps in it. Now, add the fabric into it and leave it for at least half an hour. You can also leave it for more time if you want the color to look even darker. When you are dyeing any fabric in haldi, make sure you stir the fabric every 2 minutes. Else, the haldi will settle down at the bottom and you might not get the color you want. Once it's done, take the fabric and squeeze out the excess water. Then, take the beetroot juice in a bowl and add rock salt to it and mix it well. Make sure you don't add much water to make the juice, as this will fade the color. Then open the leaflet and add the fabric to the dye and leave it for 30 minutes. Once you're done, it's time to take the fabric out and open the fabric immediately. If you leave the beetroot fabric without opening for a long time, it will change its color into muddy brown. This is not the color you desire. Once you're done with the first part of the video, that is dyeing, now it's time we do some block print on the sari. Take the yellow side of the fabric and place the sponge under it so that the color doesn't spread below the fabric. Then take the block and add color onto it with the help of a brush and block that on the fabric as you can see here. Spread the color evenly so that the print is clear. Also, remember every time you print the design on fabric, apply the color to the block. Follow the same process and print the entire sari with an equal amount of gap and alternate repeat. Do not print the pallu as we have already dyed the fabric using binding and the pleating technique. Wasn't it really interesting to learn something new? If you have any doubts, you can reach out to us anytime. We are here to help you at Hamstick Online Courses. I will see you again in another interesting session. Until then, keep building skills, building you.